Okay, you guys, this is the beginning of the Easter table. I got these little bunnies from QVC. Guys, I ordered some things from QVC, and I just wanted to show you the things that I ordered. This is doing my I am doing my Easter table. Last year we didn't get to do an Easter table. I just showed you a couple of pieces that I bought, but this year we're gonna actually do the Easter table, hopefully. So yeah, I bought this thing for my Easter table. Hold on, let me get it out. You know I love Martha Stewart when she do Easter. So they Martha Stewart bunnies. These things you have seen before. They came from Hobby Lobby. You also have seen that before. So I'm repurposing my vase that I got from Z Gallery. So the vase came from Z Gallery, and majority of the flowers came from Walmart, Amazon, or Walmart. Yeah, like I said, the majority came from Walmart, and then I got some, just a little bit that came from Amazon. So we're finna get into this Easter table, you guys. I just love these little bunnies. Let's go. Okay, you guys, this is the Easter table. This is how the table setting gonna go. This charger is from Pier 1. You guys have seen it. The plate is new. It's from the Family Dollar. So it's not from Dollar Store, but it's from our local Family Dollar. And I did have 6 of these plates, but I dropped them. And I only could retrieve 2 of them. Went back and got the last 2 they had. Okay. This is a napkin, and it's from Amazon. You guys have seen this napkin before. So, yeah. And my plate came from Pure One last year. You guys seen this briefly, but I didn't do a tablescape because I was in the middle of a renovation. So this is how the table setting is going to look, you guys, for 2020. This is how the table is going to look for 2020. So let me step back and give y'all a brief look at this table. Okay, you guys, I only got 4 of these, so the head of the table, they probably white or the dark blue, just to bring in a real strong pop of color. Because like I told you, I broke these plates, and I will insert a clip of that here. Okay, y'all just see me go to the Family Dollar. I bought 6 of these plates. I dropped 4 on them, went back, got 2 more, so I only got 4 plates. But I did get the 6 bowls. So this is in preparation for my Easter table. Okay, you guys, I decided to put these napkins on here and roll them back like that. Try to make it look just a little neater. Roll it back on the tray, and then insert the other plate on there. Let me let you see how it look when it's done right. because that just was a demonstration. So this is how it looked when it's done right. Okay, and let's talk about this tray. This tray hanger is from Pure One. I am loving the bunny on here, and you guys know that I got these little bunnies from Hobby Lobby this year, and I was telling you guys on the last, well, I might insert all of them together, how much I love this little bunny and his bow, and the fact that his ears are down. But this is from Pure One. I am in love with this tray, and this was a last year find also. So yeah, I'm gonna let you see how I do the ends of the table, being that we have to have a different plate on the table now. So instead of going with the blue, I decided to go with the black, because the black in the plates, that's really a pretty standout, because you see the black hues here and there. So we're gonna go with the black plates on the end of the table. So it's gonna be light and airy, and then the heads of the table are gonna be dark. But it looked good with this plate because of the black hues here, and then the black going down there. So yeah, if I had a pink plate, that would have been pretty also. But like I said, because I broke the plate, this is how broke the two plates. This is how the head of the table is gonna look. Not so bad to me. I think it looked just fine. So yeah. Oh, you guys, I forgot I had egg cups, so I'm gonna put my egg cups on my table. Hopefully I can grab them and don't break them. So we will be putting egg cups on the top of each plate. So that's how it looks. Okay, the egg cups are from Pure One. And it said P1 on there. Okay, so that's how that look. I forgot I had them egg cups. But that just makes Easter look even finer. These little things I got from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if I'm going to put a clip in here that I already said that they from Hobby Lobby, but they was like $2.50. So I got quite a few of those just to have on hand. You know, I am a salt and pepper fan. Anything that I think is unique, being a salt and pepper shaker, I try to get it. So I thought these were very unique, so I bought them. This thing here came from Pure One. I probably don't say it that 1,000 times, but I am in love with this tray. You can take this tray, and when Easter comes, if you're going to serve little sandwiches, little hot wings, whatever, put your little sandwiches, put your little hot wings on there, serve it as that. You can make it look neat like the restaurants do. The fancy restaurant, when you order a 10-piece wing, they have them lined up, and then they put your french fries right there. You can make it look like that, real neat, real cute. Like either when you order a club sandwich from a fast food restaurant, they put your club sandwich right here, and if you have fries, they put your fries right there. Real neat, real cute, real simple, real to the point. So yes, I think I have gave you guys where everything is from. I hope you guys enjoy the video. This table ain't gonna be too fancy. I'm not going with glasses or cutlery, because this is just something quick that I throwed up just to make my children feel like Easter is in the air because of everything that's going on. Be blessed, you guys, and we will see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed the plates because these plates are just everything to me. Even though I got them last year, I did try to get a set this year, but yeah. Bye, guys.